Hi, it's Caena. Welcome back to my closet. And it is time for my finale for the lip service project pan with the PANtastic ladies, Collabs. And I'm so excited about it because I've learned a lot from this project. Mainly that I should not do an all lipsticks project ever again. I'm really bad at it. So I'm not sure how many things I actually finished because it just now occurred to me that I should have counted that by now. But anyway, I will put it in the description box below. I will do like the totals of everything, but I'm just gonna go ahead and talk to you about the things that I still had in this one. Yes, so let's get started. Firstly, I did forget my lip scrub downstairs. So I will insert a picture here of what it looked like last time and what it looks like now so that you can see that. I didn't use a lot of it. I'm just not very good at lip scrubs, you know? I think I'm gonna use these two up and then just not buy anymore because I kind of just like the toothbrush or washcloth method a little bit better. I feel like when I put the sugar on, it goes everywhere but the parts I'm trying to scrub. So yeah, I don't know. I don't love it. I do like the lip scrub that I have because it's like a kind of like a not honey, what is it? It's like a lemon and sugar and it's really nice, but it's just not my favorite thing. So I learned that. So that's good. And then I had this other one right here, which is from Pure, and it's like a plumping lip scrub. Let me just check, because I had like a third of it gone. I've used a little bit more of it, so instead of it being like it's almost halfway, but not quite. So I used it a couple more times. Again, lip scrubs, apparently not my favorite things. Next, I had this It Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi Vitality Lip Flush. That's what they're called, in the shade Je ne sais quoi. It was one of those pH balancing lipsticks, but anyway, as you can see, that is completely down into the cap. I'm not going to use this past this because I just don't do that with my lip products because it's annoying. So I don't like lip brushes. I don't like messing with my fingers in there. It's not my thing. So I finished this. I loved this as a lip balm. I wish it didn't have the pH thing, but I love like the cherry almond oils in it. So I finished one. Yay! And then I had the Honolulu lip treatment in here. So last time this one was about to here, which where the L is right there, and now it's like the middle of the A. So I didn't really use much of this one either, but I was using this up. So I kind of don't love the consistency of it. It's fine once you can get it out, but like you have to squeeze so hard to get anything to come out before you can put it on, like with both hands. It's just, that annoys me. So when this is gone, as much as I love the formula like on my lips, wouldn't repurchase this because I find that really aggravating and not conducive to wanting to put on my lip balm. So I'm gonna finish that up. It's a lip treatment, so I generally put it on before I go to bed. Anyway, I want to finish it and get a different lip treatment that's not such a pain in the butt. So moving on. So actually next step would be lip liner, and I have this Model Co Illusion lip liner. So I measured it against my palm and it was like right to just above this joint right here. So let me see. Yep, I've used a little bit up. Lip liners are not really my thing. But I do like this one because it's like a contour lip liner, so it kind of just makes it easy to overline a little bit. It's why it's called the Model Co Illusion Lip Liner, so that it gives you the illusion of your lips being bigger than they are. So I really do like this for that, and I do use it more than I ever have because of this project. So that is cool. I was up to the O, between the M and the O, and I am now down to the middle of the D. So, you know, I'm not mad at it. I will use this up. It was like full size when I started the project, so I'm pretty happy with my progress on that, considering I'm not a lip liner person. So yeah. Next, I had this Tarte Lip Surgeons in Wonder, and I've had this thing for like, I don't know, it was gonna be like 3 years this year, and so this, 2019, so I was like, I need to finish this or I'm throwing it out because that is just too long. It's not my favorite color. I do like the formula of it. I think it's like a lip balm type of like minty kind of a thing, so it's like a lipstick balm kind of, which is really weird. But if it was like a nude or something, I actually think this would be a lot cooler. So anyway, let me just, yeah, exactly. I finished this. Yay! I finished something. It is totally flat. It is gone. Yes, that goes in the trash and doesn't get counted in my inventory. That's exciting. Okay, and then I had this guy, the Melted Long Wear Liquefied Lipstick. Did I get that right? No. The Liquefied Long Wear Lipstick. Anyway, this is Melted Violet, and I am actually wearing that over the lip liner today. And it's so weird because like I actually weighed it versus my brand new one, and it weighs the same thing. It's, I don't understand. I wear this a lot. I love this stuff. I don't know if it's just because it's like air. It makes it, I don't know. It's weird. Anyway, I use this all the time, and it's gotten to the point where it's really hard to get anything to come out. So that's why I find it hard to believe that it weighs the same. But I think it's like, you can kind of tell. I do think I've used quite a bit. It's feeling hollow right around here, and I was like halfway last time. So I've made some good progress on this, but again, it weighs the same. So I don't understand that. But I'm gonna keep using it. It hasn't gone bad yet. I do have a backup of this. I think it's like the only backup I have of anything in my collection. But I'm gonna use this until it goes bad, and then I'll switch to my backup. So there's that. Okay, lip glosses. So I have this Noya lip gloss in Malbec, and honestly, like, oh, it doesn't show. That's weird. It must have, I pulled it up to check it, and it like coated it again, but it's like actually, yeah, there's a mark right there. It's actually down to here. Is that like right about here? So I really didn't use this since last time. I got like a couple of new lip glosses, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of neglected my lip glosses in this project. So there's that one, and then there's this one from Trust Fund Beauty. It's the Lipgasm lip gloss in the shade Method to the Madness. But I really got like about a third of this one done, so I didn't really use that one a lot either. So anyway, it's still going. It's not bad. Let's check it. Yeah, it just smells like funky, like lip gloss that doesn't have a fragrance, so it's fine. But those two I will be keeping an eye on as well, because I've had those. They're like probably the oldest lip glosses in my collection, so I'll keep an eye on those. Anyway, that's it for my lip service project pan. I have all of the ladies that are involved in this collab listed down below in my description box. I won't be doing this next year, but they will be, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching. I am sorry I am not great at this, but you know, you have to do things to know if you're going to be good at them or not. So I tried. And I think I just had way too much going on with lipsticks. This year I had like my Movie Madness Project Pan, I had this one, I had the lipstick roulette going on. So yeah, I'm not gonna bunch a bunch of lipsticks together like ever again. I mean, I'm not unhappy about the Movie Madness, but you'll see that. I will link it in the cards if you want to check that one out. But that one I'm pretty happy with. But still, it's just too many lipsticks for me to get progress that I want to see. So I forgot one. I'm sorry, it got lost in the cracks over here. Anyway, this is my Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in the shade Honeycomb. And I almost finished this. There's just like a little tiny bit left in there. So close. This will be gone soon. I'm not too worried about it. I did have the whole 4 kit of those in here at some point and I took them out. I'm working on Caena in my Movie Madness, so you'll see that. But the other 2 I haven't really used, so I kind of pulled them out. It was just too many lip products. Anyway, that's gonna be everything for my finale for my lip service. And yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe and you haven't already, please do. I would love to have you. If you want to comment, suggest anything, request anything, whatever, do that in the comment section down below because I love talking to you guys. So I definitely read my comments and I would love that. So that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video or next year, depending on when this goes up. Bye.